Ever wondered how a new tax could shake up the luxury real estate scene? If you haven't heard of Toronto's new luxury land transfer tax and are eyeing properties over $3 million, you need to know this. For those of you assuming this doesn't affect you since you're not in this price bracket, think again because the ripple effects of this tax could very well impact you and the market you're in. Stay tuned and stick with me to find out how. Welcome back to Property Ladder. I'm Kushnaz, your realtor in Toronto. Let's explore what this means for you as both a buyer and seller. The Toronto Luxury Land Transfer Tax implemented in 2024 increases the land transfer tax for high-value properties in the city of Toronto. If you're purchasing a property for $3 million or more, this tax will apply to you in addition to the existing Ontario land transfer tax of 2.5% that you owe as a buyer on closing. There's a sliding scale for these tax rates that increases along with the price of the homes. For example, homes priced between 3 to 4 million are taxed at 3.5%, those between 4 to 5 million at 4.5%, from 5 to 10 million at 5.5%, from 10 to 20 million at 6.5%, and homes over 20 million at 7.5%. So what does this mean for buyers? If you're in the market for a luxury home, it's crucial to budget for this additional cost. For instance, on a $4 million property, the luxury land transfer tax alone could add an extra $140,000 to your closing costs. This increased financial burden could impact your purchasing power and overall financial planning. To navigate this new tax, buyers might start to consider looking at properties just below the $3 million threshold to avoid the additional tax. Exploring financing options and consulting with a real estate professional might also be beneficial. Sellers are also significantly impacted by this tax. Higher closing costs for buyers may lead to a smaller pool of potential purchasers for luxury properties. This could result in longer selling times and potentially lower offers. Sellers should also anticipate these market changes and may need to adjust their pricing strategies accordingly to remain competitive. They should work closely with their realtors to price their properties competitively and explore marketing strategies that highlight the unique value of their homes. We've talked about how this could impact both buyers and sellers individually, but it's important we touch on the broader impact this could have on the market. Despite the challenging landscape this tax was introduced in, with high interest rates and fewer active listings, some high-end buyers are still going ahead with properties priced over $3 million due to their financial capacity. This determination might sustain the demand in the luxury segment. On the other hand, we could also see buyers now shift their focus to homes under $3 million, further reducing the inventory in the under 3 range, which is already facing limited supply. Consequently, increasing competition for buyers looking for homes between the 2 to 3 million mark. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more insights on Toronto real estate, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. If you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out and book a free consultation with me at the link below. Thanks for watching Property Ladder. See you next time.